Ah, the lid just came off.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, alright.
Good morning and welcome to a Louisiana weekend. Today we're doing a whole weekend vlog and it's busy. We're packed, we're doing things, and there's a lot mentally going on as well with this vlog. So this morning I kind of took time to get ready by myself and I had breakfast by myself. Breakfast was really good. It was at a Vicious biscuit we have here in Gonzales, and I got the Vicious Benedict. I only ate half. That's all I could eat because it was so good. And so I have the other full half for Glenn that I'm bringing home to husband. So he will be getting breakfast as well. So don't think I'm abandoning him. You hear my blinker because I may or may not be driving. But we're on our way to get coffee so we can get home and start getting ready for a gender reveal. My younger brother and his girlfriend are pregnant and they're doing a gender reveal today. So some of the clips are going to be from that. Excited. But if you have been like with me for a while, you know that we've been going through some fertility struggles, and with that it can be kind of hard to process when other people are pregnant and you're not. This is going to be my niece or nephew and I'm so beyond excited. Along with the gender reveal, we have a crawfish boil planned, renovation, little addition to my home office that I get to show kind of where we're at with that, the day in general. So welcome to a weekend in my life. If you're new here, hello, I'm Abby. Sorry I've been rambling without introducing myself, but thank you so much for being here and it should be a really fun weekend. So let's go to coffee. Yeah, can I get a medium sugar-free cinnamon roll? Thank you. Yes. Thank you. So today we landed on 7 Brew and I got my cinnamon roll lattes, my favorite over there, that and the cookie butter. Today I got cinnamon roll and we got it sugar-free because now that I can have sugar-free alternatives that I could not have before due to like the chemicals and stuff, I'm happy to have my sugar-free back just because it's not going to spike my insulin nearly as bad. Ah, the lid just came off. That lid is not on there securely. It is not. Delicious as always. And now I'm going to be very careful with that lid so I don't spill coffee everywhere. It's a good mix. Good mix. We are home now with my sus lid coffee. I'm also filming a TikTok at the same time and we're gonna get ready for this gender reveal. Ooh.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart to slip.
Change the battery and we're back.
Tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show.
done with makeup. I think it turned out okay. I gotta show the full outfit, and I need to show you what Glenn's, my husband's, wearing as well. Still nursing this. We are ready and about to leave. Are we two matching? Like two on the nose?
No, I'm not wearing a coat.
You're wearing gray shoes and I'm wearing these pearl shoes. You ready?
Yep.
I hope you can tell what our guess is. If that gives you anything.
Go what?
Say what you're saying.
Say what I'm saying. I am your pawpaw, Philip, and I think, well, I don't know actually. It doesn't matter to me if you're a boy or a girl.
Okay, but what do you think?
But I think a boy.
Think a boy?
I think a boy, but it doesn't really matter.
All right.
I'm Nanny, and I think it's a little boy.
Little boy?
Little boy.
Here you go.
I'm Gigi, and it's a little boy.
Little boy.
I'm your Uncle Glenn, and I think you're a boy.
And you're also
Parent.
you're gonna do me.
Read and film it? Oh, yeah.
I'm your noni, Uncle Abby. I'm your noni, Auntie Abby, and you're a boy, I think.
Hi, I'm Claire. I'm her best friend, and I think it's gonna be a boy.
I already know what it
Great
is, but yeah.
Okay.
Well, then she can't
I'm
do
not
it.
gonna make a guess.
You're not allowed to do it.
Yeah, I can say.
You can trick us. You can say the opposite.
Yeah, I
but we
can.
wouldn't know.
I'm not saying nothing. I'm just gonna let y'all guess. I am your Tootie, and I think you are a girl.
I'm your Uncle Sweet. I think you're gonna be a boy.
A boy.
Hey, how do I get rid of that?
You don't. I don't think you can. It's okay. All right. Say who you are and what you think the baby's gonna be.
I'm Luke, gonna be the uncle, and it's gonna be a boy because mom had a vision.
Because mom had a vision.
Yeah.
Okay. So Uncle Lulu.
Hi, I'm Chris. I think it's a girl.
You think it's a girl?
I think it's a boy.
Oh. Go.
Hi, I'm your aunt, and I think. Okay. Hi, I'm your aunt, and I think you're a boy.
Okay. If y'all don't know, Bears boys, Lioness girls. Alright. I have not talked to you since the gender reveal, and I apologize. We literally got back. We got back, rested for a little bit, and then we went to my parents' house. Literally just watched like a local high school game that was playing and everything, and then we did smoked cream cheese. If you never had smoked cream cheese before, it is delightful. Went home, crashed, went to bed. This morning we literally got up. I was running late getting ready for church, and I had to wash my hair. That was a whole mess. We went to church, and now we're picking back up the vlog. My brother is back here. Do you mind if I have it? We're picking up a futon from my mom's home office, and we're bringing it to my home office. So my home office will be getting an upgrade today. And then we're gonna have crawfish. So it should be eventful. So I get to film them picking up stuff because Glenn won't let me do anything. Hello! Oh! Hello, hello, hello. Juicy! Hello! Hello, hello! Hello, 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 hello.
Ooh, Jay's got them beans smelling good in here.
I don't know what you want me to do.
Yeah.
Put on your yellows. Well, the bag. That's going too low.
Oh, hey! Got my yellow one. I didn't see it.
Back two are supposed to have discs on it, right?
Huh?
Is back two silver pieces?
They're not.
Supposed to have these?
No, the disc is for the decorative front.
Okay. Try to close it? Yep, perfect. Don't even need to strap it down. Nope.
Oh, that was easy.
Yep.
Like it just went in there.
That's key though.
I mean, yeah, it's kind of, all right. That's good. Oh, oh,
Oh, hey, we dropped a cup holders. We could
Hope you cross your yard.
turn it and then come in. Wait, what's rubbing? Well,
You gotta flip it.
yeah. Yeah.
There's a lot of things rattling.
It's okay.
We didn't measure, so I hope it's gonna fit.
Ta-da, ta-da.
You can look at this. We have to get rid of them here.
There you go.
They drown. Office is kind of settled. We welcome in Glenn with the command strips. Let me show you kind of what we got. This is the new mirror angle, but this wall under the quarter life crisis, we're having my desk. This indeed has to be cleaned. And then the pictures, and then bookshelf, and the futon's kind of here. It's kind of really small in here to show with this lens. Squeeze me, squeeze me, squeeze me, squeeze me. So when you walk in now, it looks like this. So, a lot of cleaning up to do in here though. But I think it looks cozy. Now I just gotta figure out what to do with the walking pad. We're about to hang up that. We're gonna hang it up there. Hopefully this makes Rosie want to hang out with me more in here. I need to take some things off of here. Can I stand on this? I'm big with it. Well, I was kind of thinking if I want to put the shelves back in here. Alright. She's up. I mean, she's cute. Now, let's get to work and clean this desk up a little bit more. It looks good. That's hot. That pan's hot. This is our Sunday night treat. We're gonna do this, and I'm gonna put a piece of ice cream on it. Ice cream in question. Bluebell's where it's at. Cookie Tuesday. Cookie Tuesday. That's way too big. We need that half. It was so close. Yeah. It's a little hot. You want on top? You want it like on top? Delicious. She's Beauty. She's Grace. She's a Sunday night treat. For goodness sake. We are going to eat this and watch Pocahontas, and that's gonna be the weekend vlog. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a bunch of ideas planned, so subscribe and stick around. Good night, everyone.